Welcome back to the videos, everybody. My name is Grady, and today we're going to be diving into some really exciting stuff. I got a new camera. Canon 60D, just your basic DSLR. I'm really excited about this because I don't have to use my Lumix that I'm using right now to film my stuff. I'm able to have external microphone, I can have a bigger body for adjustable lenses and all this other stuff. This camera is going to be a great segue into the next level of my content creation. This camera has been great. It's what got my channel started and has brought me to a lot of great places in the world. But I want to just step it up a little bit, bring a little bit more professionalism, and I think a big body camera would really help out. So as I said, this is a Canon 60D. It has a 50mm 1.8 lens on it. Just very, very basic, very basic. Got your viewfinder right here on the top, flash. I love the little screen here that's adjustable for when you're trying to do some cool shot or something and you need to look down but you can't see the screen because it's flat, so you can turn it. Little things like that. But with everything that's going on right now in the world and my school being turned off, so I'm here at home in my room because it's the only quiet place in my house, that this is basically where what I'm going to be doing for a long time is just getting up behind the camera again and trying to do more content and being creative. And if you guys have any suggestions on things you want to see, basically this is just going to be a breeding ground of ideas and trying to see what I can come up with. Lots of different vlogs, different styles of things, how-to videos. I think how-tos would be really fun. Today I'm going to be doing some stuff, doing detail work on my mom's car, so we're going to make a little video on that and then showcase, washing cars and all that, because to me that's always really satisfying to watch, so I assume for you guys it's satisfying. But honestly, it's going to be just a content-heavy time. I mean, I said to some people recently, people are going to be on their phones a lot. They're going to be staring at their phones, going on YouTube, Netflix, all that, and I think that is going to be something I want to capitalize on. And I saw that this camera popped up on Facebook Marketplace, the only place to buy genuine camera equipment, I think, and that's where I got my GoPros as well, which is, that's a funny story for another time. But I'm really looking forward to it, and we're going to be diving into some creative media and I guess some exercises, I like to say. But let's go wash a car. Here in my garage, just kidding. No, okay, so this is my mom's 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. How about let's pull it out and clean it up. So as I said, this is my mom's 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. We've had this thing for about 2 years or so, and so far so good. It's been an amazing car, a lot of fun. I really like the styling, honestly. It's very handsome for a full-size SUV, but as cars do when you drive them, they get dirty, so let's get to it. I don't know about you guys, but that is one clean car. Once again, this is just a quick video over the 2018 Volkswagen Atlas that I did today. This is so fun to do. I love cleaning cars. It's one of my favorite activities. It's just a great way to pass the time, especially with what's going on in the world. Washing cars is peaceful, it's relaxing, and at the end of it all, you got a clean car. So I really can't complain. But yeah, just a quick little exterior wash here on the Atlas. I still love the way this thing looks, especially little details like these headlights. Super, super nice. Flip that around. And once again, this is a quick video on how to wash, or just watching me wash my mom's Atlas. It's been really fun. It's relaxing, especially this time of year where, especially this time where there's nothing really going on in the world. Hope you guys are out there staying safe, having fun, and maybe cleaning the car. Thanks for watching.